On the Mac operating system, and I'm assuming that on Windows operating systems as well, there is usually an app that you can record several different layers of music on at the same time. In this particular place, it's called GarageBand. And what I've done here so far is I've just recorded 4 tracks on this thing. And the first one is just going to be something like, I think I started with my guitar and vocals together. Sounds like that. And then on top of that, I added this classic vocal track right here, which sounds like 2 horrible singers singing together. That's this one coming in right about there. And then on top of that, I added echo strum, which is just a little bit of a guitar sprinkles that I threw in there. And on top of that, I threw in some more guitar sprinkles on top of that. So what you can do with that, you can sing along with it by just taking your phone and putting it right there.
Wings, and you're leaving the blue world.
And then you can sing along for a 3rd time. How bad can that sound?
And the bells of the mission ring, and the bricks bring an echo back. It's a glow and it's covering everything in its gentle path. And you dreamed of a night like this, and the call of a fallen bird. The beauty of it all is that you're leaving the blue world. There's no one to call your name, no one to bring a rose. You come to the heavy gate, and you open it all alone. And the wild magnolia blooms on the damp, uncovered earth, and the twist of the tangled roots. You're leaving the blue world, and you rise like an amber caught in the smoke of a single flame, and the candle a lover brought just to light up a beloved face. Is a shine to a night like this, and the stars never felt so near. Your soul, like a golden gift, rises and disappears. Shine to a night like this, to the way your body moves, and the lines of your silhouette, and the rise of your fragile bones, and the lift of the whispered wind on a song that you've never heard. And you're riding on silver wings, and you're leaving the blue world.
And then it can sound like that if you're not terribly fussy.